Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove CMS from Framer. In this short walkthrough, we'll show you how to permanently remove a CMS from a Framer project and highlight what to expect so you can proceed with confidence. Start by opening your project in the Framer editor. Make sure you're on the main canvas view where you can see your pages and layers. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the sidebar that lists your project's structure. This panel includes your regular pages and, if your project uses it, a CMS area that contains collections and their items. Look for the section labeled CMS in that left panel. It typically sits below your pages and may show one or more collections, like blog posts or case studies. If you don't see a CMS section at all, the project likely doesn't have one set up, and there's nothing to remove. Once you've located the CMS collection you want to remove, hover over its name to reveal the options menu. You'll see a three-dot icon, often called the ellipsis or kebab menu, to the right of the collection. Click that three-dot icon to open the context menu for this CMS collection. From the menu that appears, choose Delete. Framer will ask you to confirm because this action is permanent. Click Delete again to confirm and complete the removal. After you confirm, the CMS collection and its items are removed from the project, and the CMS section will update accordingly. A quick note on what this means for your design. Any components, pages, or elements that were pulling content from that CMS will no longer have data connected. You might see empty states or notices where dynamic content used to appear. That's expected, and it's a good prompt to update those sections with static content or connect them to a different data source later, if needed. Before you remove a CMS, it's helpful to be sure you no longer need the content for live pages. Deleting the collection is not reversible, and it affects both unpublished drafts and any published instances that relied on the CMS. If you collaborate with a team, make sure you have the right edit permissions and that everyone is aware of the change. And that's it. You've opened your project, located the CMS in the left panel, used the three-dot menu to select Delete, and confirm the removal. Your project is now free of that CMS collection, and you can continue designing with a lighter setup.